The maintenance required light on your 2010-2024 Toyota 4Runner is part of the oil maintenance reminder system. It's designed to prompt timely oil changes based on mileage, driving conditions, and time since the last reset. It estimates oil degradation, but doesn't measure actual oil quality. The system defaults to triggering every 5,000 miles or 6 months post-reset. The reset procedure is consistent across all 2010-2024 Toyota 4Runner models. Step 1. Turn the ignition key to the on position without starting the engine. This powers the dashboard without engaging the starter motor. Step 2. Navigate to the trip meter display on the odometer using the buttons on the dashboard. This shows your trip data and maintenance information. Step 3. Press and hold the trip reset button for 5 to 10 seconds. Watch for the main rig message to flash, indicating the reset is working. Once reset, the maintenance light clears and the oil life timer resets to 00000, restarting the monitoring cycle. 1. Insert the key and turn it to the on position. Do not start the engine. 2. Use the Dis-P button on the steering wheel to cycle through the display options until you see Trip A. 3. Turn the ignition off. 4. Press and hold the trip reset button. 5. While holding the reset button, turn the ignition back to the on position. 6. Continue holding the reset button until you see the main QD light flash and reset. Failing to reset the maintenance required light can lead to ignored warnings, potentially causing engine wear over time. It's important to reset the system after each oil change. Consider the maintenance required light as a reminder, not a diagnostic tool. Always combine this system prompt with proper oil changes using Toyota recommended W20 synthetic oil. If the standard reset procedure doesn't work, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. First, try disconnecting the battery for 10 minutes as a common workaround for electrical glitches in older or high-mileage vehicles. Second, ensure you are holding the trip reset button long enough, typically 5 to 10 seconds, until the main rekey message flashes or resets. If issues persist, an OBD2 scanner can be used to reset the maintenance light directly through the vehicle's diagnostic system. Finally, if problems continue, consult a professional mechanic to diagnose any underlying electrical or software issues. While the odometer button method works for most Toyota 4Runner owners, some prefer alternative approaches for resetting the maintenance light. One alternative is using an OBD2 scanner, a handheld diagnostic tool that connects to your vehicle's computer. While not required, these scanners can reset the maintenance light and provide additional diagnostic information. For owners wanting more control, high-end scan tools offer advanced features. These professional-grade devices allow customizing the maintenance interval beyond the standard 5,000 miles, adapting to your driving conditions and oil type. These alternatives provide flexibility, but always ensure your oil change is done properly before any reset to maintain your vehicle's warranty and performance. Toyota's MyT app allows remote oil life checks and reminders, reducing manual resets. The MyT app provides convenient access to vehicle maintenance information without manual intervention. Future models may feature AI-driven predictive maintenance, automating resets via software updates. Reset procedures will continue to evolve with electric-assisted oil monitoring in hybrid models. Automotive engineers recommend always resetting the maintenance-required light after oil changes to prevent over-lubrication issues that could damage your engine. Toyota certified mechanics strongly advise against ignoring this warning light, as it can lead to costly engine problems if maintenance is delayed. Performing the reset correctly at home can save you an average of $50 compared to taking your vehicle to a dealership for service. If you encounter any problems during the reset process, seek professional guidance from a certified technician to ensure the proper procedure and maintain optimal engine health.